Welcome to Insider Style by Wynstan. I'm lifestyle journalist Holly Byrne, and today I am joined by Editor-in-Chief of Belle and House and Garden magazine, Tanya Buchanan.
Hello, Holly.
Thanks for having us in this beautiful home. Tell me how you came to be here and what stuck out for you.
Well, this is a classic terrace in the Inner West in Sydney, and I hadn't lived in the Inner West before. I spent a lot of years on the lower North Shore, and my son has moved to go to uni in Queensland, so I thought I'd edge it up a little and move here close to nice restaurants and bars. So I bought this terrace with lovely bones and a great layout.
Beautiful. And when you first moved in here, was there much that you changed? Any renovations or little facelifts?
It had a great layout, which, as you would know, I know you see a lot of terraces can be really tricky. Often they're quite pokey, but here, at least they'd opened up the front rooms. Even though the kitchen and the bathroom still need renovating, the layout's really good. So basically, I've just done a paint, ripped up the carpets, a few basics like that, just freshened it up.
And when you're making these kind of changes, obviously you're an expert in the field and you see all of the trends before they really hit the shore. How do you fine-tune that and decide what you bring into your own home?
I think I tend to go for classic looks and longevity. I love art, so I like a really neutral base. So I always use, either Porter's or Dulux Natural White or Porter's Popcorn as my background colours. And I like raw floors, either painted white or polished. I like having a great background for art and just trying to keep things fairly classic and fresh so they last the distance. I like to invest in art and furniture, but I like to keep the backgrounds fairly simple.
There's nothing like a blank canvas.
That's right. Even though I see so many beautiful, amazing interiors, incredible wallpapers, paint finishes, wall finishes, tiles, but yeah, in my own space, I think not having the luxury of huge budgets to change it all the time, you want to keep it fairly classic.
And it's now more of an investment home?
That's right. So this is an Airbnb property, which has been very popular given its amazing location in the middle of Newtown in Sydney. So again, that kind of classic backdrop is really great and appeals to a wide audience.
And the window finishings in this place, what were the non-negotiables there for you choosing them, being it is an Airbnb now?
Well, I think the fact that it's a terrace with great bones, and so I went to Wynstan and we went for classic shutters, and upstairs we've done some really gorgeous like charcoal linen in the bedroom, but just the classic shutters that look great in a terrace but are also easy to clean, let light in, easy to operate. I think the thing is when you have regular guests staying in a property, you've got to keep things low touch, low maintenance, because you want them to be durable as well.